In this assignment, we will draw this sketch. First, set limits. Make this center line. Type L for line command. Make ortho on. Select first point, second point. Press enter to repeat line command. Make a vertical line. Select these two lines. Go to line type. Select center line. Now we will draw this circle. Type C for circle. Enter. Select center point. Drag the mouse. Give radius of 45 mm. Enter. Draw this circle. Press enter to repeat circle command. Give radius of 36 mm. Draw this circle. Give radius of 15 mm. Now draw this circle. Give radius of 10 mm. Now draw this line at 18 degree. 90 minus 18, that is 72 degree. Select line. Make ortho off by pressing F8. Give any length. Press tab to give angle. Press 72 degree angle. Press enter. Now draw this line at 18 degree. Select line. Give length. Give 18 degree angle. Press enter. Press escape key. Now draw this circle at 30 degree. And draw this circle at 60 degree. First, draw two reference lines at 30 degree and 60 degree. Now, draw the two circle. Type C for circle. Select this point as center point. Give radius of 4.5 mm. Enter. Now, draw another circle at this point. Give radius of 4.5 mm. Enter. Select this line and press delete key. Select this line and delete it. Now we will draw this part by using mirror command. Select mirror command. Now select the object you want to mirror. Then press enter. Now specify the 2 points about which you want to mirror. Select first point, then second point. Make erase source object no. Our sketch have been mirrored. Type mi for mirror command. Now select the object you want to mirror. Then press enter. Specify first point, then second point about which you want to mirror. Select no. Now trim all unwanted sketch parts. Select trim command. First click enter. Now select the sketch to trim. Select this object, this object, this object. Now trim these objects too. Zoom the sketch to trim accurately. Now trim all unwanted sketch. Select these lines and press delete key. Now draw these part. Select line. Draw a line from center point. Give length of 18 mm. Give 90 degree angle. Enter. Give length of 3 mm. Give 0 degree angle to make it straight. Draw a perpendicular line on this circle. Now mirror these lines. Type mi for mirror command. Select this line, and press enter. Now specify the points to mirror. Now we will draw these sketch by using polar array command. Select polar array command. Now select the object you want to array. Then press enter. Now specify the center point about which you want to array. Select this point. Now you can see that our sketch is arrayed about this point. But we want only 4 of them. So make it 4 from here. Press enter. Press escape key. Go to trim command. Press enter. Now trim these part. Press escape. So this is our final sketch.